Yeah, g'day mate. It's Chris O, the Australian tiler. I'm a professional and I have been for 35 years. The next stage of this laundry, it's all stripped out now, and what I'm doing now is I am priming, putting a primer on the walls and floor. I've just vacuumed the floor, which I'll be doing a coat of primer sealer, and then I'll be waterproofing it. VJ board is going from about 1500, which is about there, and up, because they're having over cupboards, tiles down to the floor, but you still primer seal it. Excuse me, just a bit of dust. You still primer seal your walls, and you primer sealer the back of your sheets as well, and we'll be throwing them up after the tiles, which is all cool. There's been a little bit of a leak from the tap. No biggie, but could have been in time, you know, if it was left. But when I've waterproofed it all, because I'll be waterproofing up to about here, over there, about to that height where my roller is. Doesn't have to go right up, but here I'll be waterproofing it all. So if the taps leak again, it won't matter, because it's all waterproofed. If there's any splashing in the bath next door, it won't matter, because it's all waterproofed. So you roll on this stuff, you don't have to be fancy, just get it on and you're home and hose. Be careful not to touch any of the corners, because it stains. But I think the owner might be painting the ceiling anyway. But you don't put it everywhere. Cool bananas. Look at that, beautiful. All right people, I'll carry on around and I'll catch up with you shortly. This is like, it's so easy to do and so inexpensive, and a lot of people don't do it, which is crazy. It's so easy, so inexpensive. I say no more. It's a no-brainer. But people think, oh, she'll be right, mate. Nah. It's not that simple. This is why people don't do it, I don't know. Like I've said before, doesn't matter how good your glue is, nothing sticks to dust. Okay, well, I'll just do up the top there, but I'll see you later. Give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot to teach everyone. If I don't know what I'm doing now, well, I never will. But if I can pass everything on that I know to everyone out there, it's a cool thing to do, I reckon. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye.